In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo to your invoice in QuickBooks. A clean, professional logo on your invoices helps customers recognize your business instantly and builds trust. So let's walk through the exact clicks to get it in place quickly and confidently. Start by moving to the top left of your QuickBooks screen and clicking the Create button. This is your main starting point for new transactions. From the menu that appears, choose Invoice. That opens a fresh invoice where you can set up your branding. Now look to the top right of the invoice window. You'll see a small market style icon there. Click that icon to edit. This opens the panel where you can adjust the look of your invoice, including adding your company logo. In that editing area, you'll find the option to upload a photo. Click to upload, locate your logo file on your computer, and select it. Give it a moment to process, and you'll see the logo appear right on the invoice. A few quick tips to help your logo look its best. Use a high-quality image, ideally a PNG or JPG. If you have a version with a transparent background, PNG is a great choice because it blends cleanly with your invoice colors. Aim for a file that's crisp but not oversized. Something in the range of a few hundred kilobytes usually uploads quickly and displays sharply. If your logo appears too large, too small, or stretched after uploading, adjust the image dimensions outside QuickBooks and try again so it maintains its original proportions. Color matters too. Logos designed in RGB typically render well on screens and in PDFs. Keep some padding around the edges of your logo so it doesn't look cramped against the invoice borders. If the logo looks slightly blurry, export a higher resolution version and re-upload. If you don't immediately see the market icon in the top right, try maximizing your browser window or zooming out slightly so all invoice controls are visible. Also, make sure you're on the invoice page you just opened from the Create button. A quick page refresh can help if the editing panel doesn't load the first time. And that's it. Click the Create button at the top left, choose Invoice, then head to the top right, click the market icon to edit, and upload your photo. Your logo will now display on your invoice, giving every bill you send a polished, on-brand look. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing!